don't even know me? What other choice do I have? Lucky bird inside a gilded cage, golden words spoke by an ancient sage. Everything you may have in life, still all you hold is dust. Must I yearn forever to be free, free to climb a tree and ponder, free to wander. There's no desire I hold fonder than to be simply me, to be free. How ungrateful is this lucky bird, spurning privilege for one simple word. Freedom to stretch these golden wings, freedom to touch the sky. Why someone ask what she wants to be, free to throw away a treasure, pour with pleasure. I'd sacrifice riches beyond measure, just a girl with a boy. What a perfect fantasy, to find love, to feel joy, to be